It's stupid o'clock in the morning and I got me disgruntled mechanic t-shirt on. Look, I'm going to pick up my friend so we can pick up this car. We got a long journey ahead. As you can see, I'm tired and yeah, let's get this done. Oh, don't go in front of me. Oh, why couldn't you just stay there? Oh yeah, by the way, look at my clutch pedal. Clutch pedal isn't great. I really don't know if my clutch is going to last. -1 as well, look. Come on, I need to go. Irish traffic jam. Can you please move out of my way? Oh, why can't you see this? Like, every time I'm going to try and overtake, they're just going to get in my way. Stay there, stay there, stay there, stay there, stay there, stay there. Bye. Oh, I can't even use my clutch to change gear. I have to change gear with the revs because my clutch isn't going to last. So, see if we can get it all in. Look, there's the clutch pedal, there's the gearbox. I've shown people how to do this before in a video, but there we go. Don't need to use the clutch to change gear. But when I've got the car on the back, it's going to be a lot harder. Smile, you're on YouTube. What are you doing?
It's a lovely morning. I'm just having I'm watering some plants here.
You're watering the weeds?
Watering them on.
Right, we are now in... What are we actually going to get?
Renault 5 Monaco.
Renault 5 Monaco for spare parts for your car.
For spare parts.
So you dragged me all this way for another Renault 5?
Yeah.
With a dodgy clutch?
Yeah. But it's okay. There's good things have come as a result of it. We fixed a dolly.
Right, we are here collecting this Monaco Renault 5. As you can see, it's in absolutely pristine condition. Lovely. There we go. And we're in the mecca. Oh, I've just popped the bonnet for us. The mecca of Renault 5s. We have a GT here. We have a GT up there. We have, well, that's just a normal Renault 5 with a big body kit. Renault 4, Renault 21 Turbo. A few Land Rovers. Oh yeah, and the beautiful 1.4 automatic. Yeah, just turn the key there and we'll drive it back.
Put a bit of oil in it, it'll be alright.
You don't need headlights. Who has headlights in Ireland? So yeah, I'm going to load this bad boy up and we're going to go back. Are you happy?
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what response I'm going to get to bring it back, but that's okay.
Oh yeah, of course. Yeah, hopefully so. Right, this is the first time I got my new rope. The first time we're actually using this to pull a car. Hey! I knew it would work. No problem. Look at that. Easy. No worries. Right, we're not. No, we're not level, but we'll get that. No, it's hitting the wheels now, hitting that thing, so we just have to straighten up a little bit. But it's not bad. At least it towed it up. No problem. Trying again. Put it straight this time. Oh fuck! That rope's not twisting right. Hold on. That's better. Perfect. Both wheels are now level. We're good to go. We've got it all up. We've got all the flashing beacons on the back. We've got all the on tow signs. We've got the lights. We've got everything. Look what I have to deal with. Here's me trying to drive back home. He's eating hummus, bloody bread, eggs. He's got pen knives out. Look at him. And do you think he's offered me anything?
I did, but you won't eat because it's all hippie food you're saying. Okay.
Look at it. I have to sit with this and smell it.
almond bread. There's no smell of it.
There is a smell of it, and a smell of you.
Right, the biggest issue with towing something like this, every time we stop, everyone asks us. We've been stopped loads of times now. Some guy has 3 of these. And his wife came out and said, you better not be selling that to him. She wasn't happy because we made out that we was taking it down to him. It's quite funny. Just checking all the straps, everything is good. But yeah, that's the downside of driving an old car or even towing one. Everybody keeps wanting to talk to you. When you're in a rush, it's awkward. But lucky enough, we're not in a rush. Right, we are just checking everything, just as I always do. And yes, I know they're not the proper straps. I'm going to do in a video very soon how I've done everything wrong with this, but I have got the new straps on order. Look, we've lost a strap and it's all got wrapped around there, but it's just happened because there's no heat or anything there, so we're going to fix this before we continue. The reason why the strap came off, this wheel is completely flat, but how the hell did this huge thing here fit in between there where my finger can't even fit through? There's no damage, but how the hell did it do it? We're gonna have to completely take this strap off and feed it back round there, because there's no way we can get that around there. There we go. Right, we are finally back, all in one piece. No dramas, no worries, and we're going to be doing some videos on this. This hasn't been started in 20 years, so we're going to do, can we start this Renault 5 after 20 years? We're going to see. What do you think?
Yeah, I think it'll be interesting. I don't know if it'll start though, but we'll see.
I think it will, and we will, yes, let's just unload this and then we're done. Having the winch makes it so easy. I need to pull this forward now to release the hooks at the back, and I never had the winch to do this because the rope was never long enough. And now it is. Look at that. God, such a powerful winch. It's fantastic. Do the other side, just leave it there. Chop chop today. And back she goes. Oh no, that's forward, Leon. And back she goes. Turn the steering wheel. Where's the keys?
Oh yeah, we just find.
Well, the steering's locked. You need the keys.
I have the keys.
Well, turn the fucking wheel then. Jesus. First time you sat in it. Look at his look at his little face. So confused. Turn it a bit more. Bit more. Okay. Okay. Whoa, too much. Come back. Oh, that's forward. Turn straighten, straighten, straighten. Now, 87,000 miles, one careful owner, yeah? Just driven to church and back. Yeah, looks like it too. She's with a new home, and there's a bath out there which I think you're going to have to wash in from now on, because I think you're going to be in trouble. Okay. Leaving this here.
If I cover the front bumper, it doesn't look as bad then, maybe.
You covered the whole car.
If I can get a bit of plywood.
Here you go.
Okay, what am I doing?
Pull this pin out for me. I can do it with one hand maybe. You might have to just lift that up a little bit and pull that pin out. Yep, that's the one. Do it again, keep going like that. Wobble it. Put it in that one there. Put that down. Bring it up. Make sure it's going the right way. I'll do it. Here, you film. Powerful drill, my arse. Supposed to be the biggest, bestest drill. Fucking DeWalt.
Oh, ratchet.
Really just to kick it, and then it should go with the drill. Fuck you, DeWalt. I mean, we're talking 9 amp hour batteries here, 54 volt. We're not talking cheap batteries. And this is supposed to be a really powerful model. Ah!
And it wasn't too hard to turn it with the thing, was it?
No, I don't know why it's doing it. Just the torque that's on it, it doesn't seem to want to go all the time. And I don't know why. I got that brand new. Not as if it's an old one. Yeah, sure. This drill up in a minute. Fuck the thing.
You
I
got?
need the socket. There you go.
Oh, it's gone. It's gone. Sorry, Leon. It's gone.
I mean, it's not hard. It's like it's not.
Yeah.
It's not hard.
Try it on 11.
No, it won't do on 11.
Yeah.
This is supposed to be a really powerful drill. Look at it. There's no
Yeah.
torque.
I
that's
changed
in
it to 11 now, so just. I tried on hammer.
Huh. Why is it? Hammer will destroy the fucking threads there.
Yeah.
Fuck you! This is a brand new drill. No, why has it just decided to do it? Pull that pin the far side. Get all the way up, yeah. Slide it across. Yeah, twist it, just twist it so it runs up on the metal bar. Yeah, keep going, keep going. Yeah, in the middle, yeah. I don't know if there's an issue with this drill and it's just... See?
Yeah,
What's
it is
the
a bit
problem with it?
strange.
Anyway.
Clip this back?
No, leave it.
Leave it the way it is.
Yeah. So close to that light.
It's okay though.
My poor light.
Is there... Very good.
It's in! We're home at last. Long day. Don't forget, get your hands dirty. See you for the next one. Sorted.